Hi friends, today I will let you know, sometime Teams add in remote from your Outlook profile. So how we can fix that issue. So let's go to Outlook. Okay, let's open the Outlook profile and okay. So while sometimes we have scheduled the meeting and go to Teams heading, Teams meeting, but Teams link it's not available uh, in here. Okay, and also Teams meeting link not generating from to schedule the meeting. This one link it's not generating in the Outlook profile. So how we can fix that issue? Okay, so let's go to let's option and add-ins, go to, and this one you see Microsoft Teams meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. So I can uncheck this one, and now here we go. Microsoft Teams add-in not available here. And also if I'm going to calendar, that is also not available. So if we can schedule the meeting, so Teams meeting link not generated due to Microsoft Teams add-in not available in your Outlook. So again, how we can same thing, we can go to options, add-in, and click on go and check this Teams add-in and click on OK. And now we can check it's available. Sometime if you check this add-in and not available in your Outlook profile, so you can restart your Outlook profile